Hi, this is Shubhadeep. I stay in Newtown and I had purchased a semi automatic pump controller system from SG Solutions. And the system that I had purchased was something with which I'm able to shut off the pump automatically when the tank is full. Now, though it is a semi automatic system, there are fully automatic systems also available, but I chose a semi-automatic system because water comes at a particular time in the morning, and that's when you need to switch on the pump. So once you switch on the pump, the uh, the tank is filled up, and once the water level reaches a certain point, the pump shuts off automatically. So there is no wastage of electricity, there is no wastage of water, and you don't have to wait till your tank is overflowing to come and switch off the pump. It happens automatically, so it's a hassle free system which SG Solutions has provided to me. And it's the ideal combination of manual plus automatic. So it serves the purpose very well. I'm very satisfied with the product. I've been using it for the last few months, and it works perfectly. There has been no issues so far, and this is something which is good for the environment. It saves electricity, it saves water. um, Prior to my installing this pump, almost every second day the water would overflow from the tank, and there'll be a lot of wastage of water. So that has stopped. And I'm sure with the water meters coming in, potable water will soon be charged like electricity. So this device will help in saving a lot of water. It's also saves electricity, hassle free. So I would advise everybody to install a pump controller in their homes. I'm sure that will be a lot of help, and SG Solution has really done a good job. Thank you.